To set your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to play sound when you are dialing numbers on the phone app, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find sound and vibration. Tap sound and vibration. Tap system sound. Under sound section, tap the gray on offset next to dialing keypad until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, open phone app, dial the number. You can hear that your phone will play sound theme you select on the system sound theme when you are dialing number. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.